In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can craft cord in LEGO Fortnite. Obviously, you'll need cord for things like the Knight's Shield, as well as a few other items, but how do you make cord or even silk thread? Well, it's simple. All you need to do is open up your build menu, and under utility, you'll eventually unlock the spinning wheel. For this, we need 8 planks, 5 rods, 5 wood, and 5 wolf claws. This is simple enough to do. For this, you'll need, obviously, a lumber mill where we can make our planks and wooden rods. So we need 8 planks and 5 wooden rods. I'll choose plank, then change the recipe, and we'll start crafting 8 of these. While these are finishing off, we'll need to craft ourselves a sword. If you don't already have one, mine's about to break, so I'll make a new one. For this, you'll also need wooden rods, 5 of them to be exact. So if you don't have one, you'll need to craft 5 wooden rods for your sword and another 5 for the spinning wheel. This is going to make killing wolves a lot quicker. Without it, it's pretty dangerous. Now, I already have enough claws from killing wolves that have previously got in my way, but essentially just running around, especially at nighttime, eventually you'll hear a howl, and heading in that direction, you'll find yourselves a few wolves. These are pretty dangerous creatures for early game, so do keep your eyes open for them and try to only take on one at a time. Keep in mind that you have a dodge button or a roll button. On PC, it's control. By pressing this, you can quickly roll out of the way to avoid attacks, and you can usually see where they're charging up to prepare for one. Over here is a wolf. I'll approach it, and as soon as it gets close, we can dodge away from it to avoid its first attack and start comboing it shortly after. Simply dodging attacks, it's easy enough to not take any damage, assuming you're quick enough, and eventually, just like that, you'll get some meat and a few wolf claws. At least you only need to kill about 2 of these in order to get the 5 that you need, as each wolf drops probably about 4 claws. Now that I have 25 in total, I should be able to head back and we can get to crafting. All the way at our base, the planks are done. We'll take them and choose wooden rod. We'll need 5 of these. I've already got 2, so crafting the 3 that I need, we can now get to crafting our spinning wheel. Choosing this and placing it somewhere, maybe expanding our base a little bit, we'll place it down maybe somewhere here, and interacting with it, we can now craft wool thread, cord using vines, drawstring using cord, and silk thread using silk. Simple enough. In order to craft, say, a shield, we need planks and cord. So, heading into the spinning wheel, we can select cord and use vines to craft exactly what we need. Silk for silk thread, wool for wool thread, and drawstrings, use cord which we can craft above. Simple enough. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!